numbers. There's something that you need to understand about math. Math has it where addition and subtraction have the same set of rules. Like, for example, when we were adding and subtracting mixed numbers, we had to get common denominators. Multiplication and division are going to have their own separate set of rules, and they're going to be different. So what different rule are we going to remember when multiplying with mixed numbers? We need to remember to convert all mixed numbers into improper fractions, better known as what Mr. Saucer and Mrs. Wise talked about, the mathematical magic C. We have to use our magic C to convert our mixed numbers into improper fractions. If you have forgotten how to do that, I will review that with you in our first example, which we are going to take 1 4/5 and we are going to multiply it by 2 1/2. So we'll come over here and practice our magic C, which says we are going to take 5 times 1, which is 5 times 1 is 5, and then we add the numerator of 4. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 gives us 9/5. And that is how we do our magic C. So we have to convert all of our mixed numbers into improper fractions using our magic C. So 2 1/2 would become 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1 is 5/2. Now, what we did probably about 5-6 days ago, we now can do our cross canceling. And hopefully you see that we can say 5 goes into itself once, 5 goes into itself once. We now take 9 times 1 to be 9. We take 1 times 2 to be 2. Now we have an improper fraction, which we now must convert to a mixed number using our fishhook. So 2 goes into 9 4 times, and we end up with a mixed number of 4 1/2. Okay? Again, you must convert all mixed numbers into improper fractions, and then you can do your cross cancel. And then at the end, if you have to simplify by converting an improper fraction to a mixed number using your fishhook, then that's what you must do. Example number 2. 2 5/6 multiplied by 3 1/3. So we use our fishhook. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17/6. Next, we convert 3 1/3, which gives us 10/3. Now I am ready to cross cancel or cross simplify. I see that I have even numbers with 6 and 10, and I know that 2 goes into every even number. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. Now I don't know what 17 times 5 is off the top of my head, so I come over here and I do some side work. I say 5 times 7 is 35, carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So I get 85. 3 times 3 is 9. Again, I have an improper fraction, so I must simplify that. I perform my fishhook. 9 goes into 85 9 times. And I get 9 4/9. Okay? Our third example, I have to bring in a whole number. We have to remember what to do with whole numbers. Hopefully you're saying to yourself, just put it over 1, which is exactly correct. You say 9 over 1 gets multiplied by the magic C, gives me 11/6. Now we look to see if we can cross cancel, which we can. 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 goes into 9 3 times. We then say 3 times 11 is 33. 2 times 1 is 2. Now it's time for our fishhook. 2 goes into 3 1 time. Bring down my 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times. and we get 16.5 as our answer. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to come and see me during ISTA. Please check your Google Calendar for what is your homework, and please don't forget your exit ticket. Have a nice day, and I will see you tomorrow.